Are you ready to skyrocket your channel's growth and earnings without breaking a sweat? I've got an incredible AI tool that will change the game for your YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. It's called Auto Shorts AI. Imagine having an AI-powered sidekick that automatically creates and posts engaging Shorts videos for you 24/7. No more endless hours of video editing, script writing, or hunting for the perfect visuals. Auto Shorts AI does it all, allowing you to manage multiple faceless channels on complete autopilot. Subscribe to Money Flux and keep watching the video until the very end to understand the whole process. You've seen the proof. These short-form video platforms are absolutely exploding right now. Creators just like you are tapping into the incredible potential of YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, and they're cashing in big time. And with TikTok's creativity program, the earning opportunities are through the roof. But here's the thing. Creating engaging, viral-worthy content on a consistent basis can be a real grind. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of creativity. That's where Auto Shorts AI comes in, the ultimate tool for automating your YouTube Shorts game and taking your channel to the next level. Imagine having a tireless AI-powered content creation machine working for you 24/7, churning out irresistible Shorts videos that keep your viewers hooked and begging for more. That's exactly what Auto Shorts AI does. It's like having a genie that grants your wildest YouTube wishes. Auto Shorts AI automatically generates your next video as soon as your previous one is posted. It's completely hands-off. You can literally set it and forget it. Whether you're sleeping, on vacation, or just taking a break from the content grind, Auto Shorts AI keeps your channel fresh and engaging. You can manage multiple faceless YouTube channels on complete autopilot. That's right. Auto Shorts AI allows you to scale your content empire without breaking a sweat. It's like having an army of content elves working tirelessly to grow your channels. Getting started with Auto Shorts AI is an absolute breeze. In fact, you can sign up for free using the special link I've included in the description below. Just click that link and you'll be transported to the Auto Shorts AI dashboard, your command center for dominating YouTube Shorts. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see just how intuitive and user-friendly Auto Shorts AI is. The first step is to create your video series. A series is essentially a collection of videos centered around a specific theme or niche. The possibilities are endless. You could create a series on mind-blowing history facts, daily motivation, hilarious pet antics, or anything else that resonates with your audience. Creating a series is a snap. Simply give it a catchy name, choose your niche from the trending categories, select your preferred language and voice, and let Auto Shorts AI work its magic. The tool will generate captivating videos complete with attention-grabbing titles and descriptions. It even adds automatic sound effects, transitions, and visual effects to take your content to the next level. Now let's talk about pricing. Auto Shorts AI offers flexible plans to suit every creator's needs and budget. If you're just getting started, you can dip your toes in with the free plan and get a feel for the platform. But trust me, once you see the incredible results, you'll want to upgrade to the starter, daily, or hardcore plans. These powerhouse options allow you to post multiple times per week or even daily, supercharging your channel's growth. And here's a little insider secret. Use the exclusive discount code in the description to snag a sweet deal on your chosen plan. All right, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of creating a short video with Auto Shorts AI. It's so simple to do it. First, select your series and choose the destination for your video. You can effortlessly link your TikTok and YouTube accounts so your content is automatically shared across both platforms. No more juggling logins and wasting precious time. Next, pick your content niche from the trending categories. Whether you want to dive into spooky ghost stories, heartwarming animal rescues, mind-bending riddles, or anything in between, Auto Shorts AI has you covered. The tool generates fresh, engaging content that keeps your viewers coming back for more. Once you've selected your niche, sit back and let Auto Shorts AI show its magic. In mere minutes, you'll have a polished, professional-grade short video ready to captivate your audience. The tool takes care of everything, from the catchy title and description to the automatic visual effects. It's like having a production team at your fingertips. But what if you want to add your own personal flair to your videos? No problem at all. Auto Shorts AI allows you to effortlessly use your own script, title, and description. Simply paste your content into the tool, select some epic background music, and voila! Your bespoke short video is ready to rock YouTube and TikTok. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds too good to be true. Does AutoShorts AI really deliver results? Let me show you the receipts, my friend. I've been using this tool on my own YouTube channel, and the results have been nothing short of mind-blowing. My first video racked up thousands of views in a matter of days, and the engagement just keeps skyrocketing with each subsequent upload. The beauty of AutoShorts AI is that it creates content that's optimized for the YouTube Shorts feed. That means your videos are primed for viral success, attracting organic views and engagement like a magnet. And with all those eyeballs on your content, your channel will grow faster than you ever thought possible. We're talking subscribers, likes, comments, the whole shebang. So, what are you waiting for, creators? If you're serious about dominating YouTube Shorts and taking your channel to the next level, you need AutoShorts AI in your arsenal. Sign up for free using the special link in the description, and don't forget to punch in that exclusive discount code for a sweet deal. I can't wait to see your channels explode with viral success stories. Keep creating, keep inspiring, and most importantly, keep using AutoShorts AI to make your wildest dreams a reality. The world is waiting for your unique voice and vision, so don't keep them waiting any longer. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more game-changing content creation tips and tricks. And if you have any questions or success stories to share, drop them in the comments below. I'm always here to help you on your journey to the top. Until next time, keep creating, keep inspiring, and keep crushing it with AutoShorts AI.